Hi, this is Mike. Welcome to our channel guiding health and wellness tips daily. Today we're diving deep into the world of natural detox and focusing on one crucial organ, your kidneys. These hard-working organs are responsible for filtering waste and toxins from your blood, so keeping them in tip-top shape is vital for overall health and well-being. Now, I'm not talking about any extreme cleanses or fad diets here. Instead, we're going to explore the power of simple, everyday fruits that can make a world of difference. Join me as I take on the challenge of incorporating these 3 essential fruits into my diet for a full week to see how they help with kidney detox. First up, let's talk about lemons. These bright, zesty little fruits are like a burst of sunshine for your kidneys. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps fight oxidative stress and inflammation. Think of oxidative stress as rust forming on your cells. Not a pretty picture, right? Vitamin C acts like a shield, protecting your cells and keeping things running smoothly. For your kidneys, reducing inflammation is key for optimal function. How can you easily incorporate lemons into your daily routine? Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Squeeze half a lemon into warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. This simple ritual can help stimulate your kidneys and flush out toxins. Plus, it's a refreshing alternative to plain water and a great way to hydrate. The benefits of lemons don't stop there. Add lemon slices to your water bottle for a zesty boost. Use lemon juice to brighten up your salads. Experiment with lemon herb marinades for fish or chicken. Or whip up a batch of healthy lemon tahini dressing for your salads. Make lemons a regular part of your diet for long-term benefits. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Next on our list of kidney-friendly fruits are cranberries. These little red gems are often associated with urinary tract health, and for good reason. They contain a powerful compound called proanthocyanidin, or PAX for short. Now, PAX are like little superheroes for your urinary tract. They prevent certain bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract, which helps prevent infections. But did you know that cranberries can also benefit your kidneys? Cranberries also contain a compound called arbutin, which has diuretic properties. In simpler terms, arbutin helps stimulate the kidneys and promotes the excretion of toxins. It's like giving your kidneys a gentle nudge to flush out any unwanted substances. So, how can you enjoy the benefits of cranberries? Well, cranberry juice is a popular option, but be mindful of added sugars. Look for unsweetened or low-sugar varieties, or dilute cranberry juice with water to reduce the sugar content. Another great way to enjoy cranberries is by incorporating them into your diet in other ways. Add dried cranberries to trail mixes, granola bars, or yogurt for a tart and chewy treat. Use cranberry sauce as a glaze for chicken or pork, or create festive salads with fresh cranberries, pecans, and feta cheese. You can even get creative with cranberry smoothies. Blend frozen cranberries with banana, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder for a nutrient-packed breakfast or snack. The possibilities are endless. So have fun experimenting in the kitchen and find what works best for you. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about pomegranates. These vibrant, jewel-toned fruits are not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can benefit your kidneys in numerous ways. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants like punicalagins and anthocyanins, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on your cells, leading to inflammation and disease. Think of antioxidants as the body's natural defense system against these harmful molecules. They neutralize free radicals, preventing them from causing damage and keeping your cells healthy. Studies have shown that pomegranate juice can help improve kidney function in people with kidney disease. It can also help reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. So, how can you incorporate more pomegranates into your diet? One of the easiest ways is to enjoy a glass of pomegranate juice. Like cranberry juice, be mindful of added sugars and opt for unsweetened or low-sugar varieties. You can also sprinkle pomegranate seeds onto salads, yogurt, oatmeal, or even desserts for a pop of color, flavor, and a nutritional boost. Pomegranate seeds also make a delicious and healthy snack on their own. They're surprisingly filling and can help curb cravings between meals. So next time you're looking for a nutritious and satisfying snack, reach for a handful of pomegranate seeds. Well, there you have it. 3 incredible fruits that can help support your kidney health and overall well-being. Remember, incorporating these fruits into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to show your kidneys some love. Thanks for watching, and if you've had any experiences with these fruits or have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys and learning about your health journeys. Don't forget to check out my other videos on kidney health and nutrition for more tips and tricks to help you take care of your kidneys. And as always, stay tuned for more health and wellness tips coming your way. See you in the next video.